Hello, another day, another review. Share ko lang yung pinagstayan namin sa Hong Kong. Ito yung Panda Hotel. So, nearest MRT station is Tai Wo Hau. Yung na-assign sa amin na room is located on the 14th floor. As you can see, merong double bed, single bed, and sofa bed. And then, meron din mirror dito and desk. And check naman natin yung nasa drawer. So, meron namang provide na coffee, tea, creamer, tapos may electric kettle, and then yung nasa baba naman is yung mini fridge. Yun nga lang, wala silang provide na bottled water. So yeah, if you like this room, you can book it via Klook or Agoda using my promo codes for discount. Meron din pala dito ang telephone, and then nag-provide din sila ng slippers. And ito yung mga socket. Then, ito naman yung view ng room namin sa 14th floor. Basic lang yung room pero spacious siya for a budget hotel dito sa Hong Kong. So ayun, meron din palang TV and then air purifier. Check naman natin yung toilet and bath. So as you can see, meron naman silang provide na dental kit and then ito yung hand soap. May mirror na rin, may tissue. And then, andito naman yung mga towel. So, yun nga lang, walang bidet. So, magdala na lang kayo ng portable bidet o tabo. Ito naman yung bathtub and provided na rin yung shampoo and shower gel.